Guys, and welcome back to this Spring Clean Monday reset. I hope you all had a wonderful long weekend and are ready for a fresh new week ahead. Give this video a big thumbs up if it gave you some much needed motivation after the weekend, and let's get right into the video. Guys, we recently got a new bit of furniture for the kitchen. This area in our kitchen is going to be a breakfast area. By the way, the noise in the background is the dishwasher. And we wanted a bench for here, and then we're going to put a small like bistro table, maybe slightly bigger, and a couple of chairs. So this is our first piece for this area, and I'm so excited because this bit has been empty for like nearly 3 years. This is from the Cotswolds company. It's their Monk bench in Elks. stone I think the wood is. I will pop the information to it down below. They do it in a couple of different colours and a few configurations, but we really like the oak because it fits into the kitchen nicely. We will be doing the kitchen eventually, and I think it will be pretty neutral with pops of like light blue, like a duck egg blue. So this is where I'm going to add the colour in on this monk's bench, is with the seat pads. I just wanted to see with these for how they would fit on. I've seen these really gorgeous ones in Dunelm. They're like a light blue natural mix. I'll pop a picture on the screen so you can see them. And then I've already seen a table. I'm torn between two tables. One is from Dunelm and the other is from M&S. So I'm definitely going for a white circular table, and the one on M&S is a white top with oak legs, which I really like. And then the other one I've seen in Dunelm is a marble top with gold legs. Let me know what you think, because I'm more drawn towards the M&S one, just because I think we will end up having marble worktops, so we don't want too much marble going on, and I think the plain white would be nicer. I will show you up close this. Can't really show you fully in the shot because it's quite long, but if I take these seat pads off, it has storage underneath, which I love. So this is what it looks like without the cushion covers. This is how it came. It's fully assembled. So here is the hidden storage, and this is on one of those hydraulics, is it, where it just, or soft close, where it soft closes, which is lovely. And then my idea was, well, I've got a couple of these cushions in here for our outside furniture, but the whole point of the storage was to store my Hoover and my mops, because they fit under the stairs, but it's just an awkward space. So I'm gonna get something to protect the bottom, and there's still loads of space as well. So I may put a couple more things in here as well.